So now you've got your pan on the stove. You want to turn it on to a medium-high heat. Make sure the pan is hot. So put your hand over the pan and you can feel that heat generating off it when it's hot. I want you to pour in a couple tablespoons of olive oil, swish it around the pan, and then add your onions. They should sizzle just like that when they hit the pan. Now it's important to stir them once to coat all the onions with the oil. But that's all the stirring you're going to do for a while. You're now going to make sure the onions are all over the bottom of the pan and let them sit. It's really important now to let the onions cook, because if you keep moving them around, they don't get a chance to cook and brown. You let them brown for about 10 minutes. Then you take your spoon and stir the onions. So the onions are browning now. You can see they're turning a golden brown. Now is the time to stir the onions. It's also the time to add a little bit of salt. And I'm using sea salt that still has the minerals in it. It doesn't have a sharp, acrid flavor that regular salt has, and it's better for you because it has the minerals still in it. And a little bit of freshly ground pepper. And also, you could add a pinch of sugar if you'd like to help caramelize these onions if they're not turning brown fast enough. But ours are browning nicely, so we don't need to do that. So now you can stir the onions a little bit, and you want to continue to let them brown. You just get them all over the bottom of the pan, let them sit for a few minutes, and then stir. And you'll be doing this process for about 10 minutes.